Good morning, everybody. Today I want to do a video on taking the bus to the train station. And the starting point is going to be off the main square. And the reason I wanted to do it today is because today is market day. And so what's the usual bus stop where you get picked up to take the bus changes because they close off the square. So I want to show you both locations. So the normal location is as you go from across the Galateria, you go down the steps, and usually you would just wait for the bus right here at this spot here. And so this is where you would wait. But today, since they're setting up for the market, it's a different location. And I'll walk you there. Well, we'll walk this way. It's not that far, actually. It's just on the other side of the piazza. I'll walk down the market aisle as they're setting up and everything. So today is Wednesday, and the market is on every Wednesday and Saturday. So if it's not Wednesday or Saturday, you can pick up the bus at that stop that I just pointed out. But on Wednesday, Saturday, just got to walk a little further for some. It's gonna be a really hot day. We had a little bit of thunderstorms yesterday, but today they're predicting a high of 85, so it's going to be a really warm day. Right now it's about a little after 7, and so they're just setting up. The market isn't fully set up and fully going till probably around 8:30. But those bargain tables get set up pretty quickly, and people are already, as you can see, at the tables trying to find those great bargains, those great deals. So anyways, this is where you catch the bus. You come across the piazza and go down these stairs. And you wait over here, and this is where you catch the bus. As I mentioned in a previous video, you can buy your tickets at the visitor center or the tobacco stores. And this is bus A, and this bus comes by every half an hour. And this bus goes to the train station as well as to the hospital. So it's 3 good stops: the main square, the hospital, and the train station. And it's a silver bus. So I'm gonna wait here, catch the bus. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're in Sulmona, say hi.